Mental architecture. Before a city rises, before steel meets sky, there is a blueprint. Not on paper, not in stone, but in the mind. Every thought you've ever had, every belief you've ever repeated, every story you've told yourself, they are not random, they are architecture. Your mind is not just a place where thoughts happen, it is a construction site. And whether you realize it or not, you are the architect. Narrator slightly more intense. Some people build fortresses, walls so high, nothing gets in, not even opportunity. Others build prisons, rooms filled with doubt, fear echoing in every corner. And some, without knowing, build nothing at all, just chaos. Every belief is a brick. I'm not good enough. I always fail. I can't change. Lay those bricks long enough, and you don't just think them, you live inside them. But here's the truth most people never confront. You didn't design most of your structure. It was handed to you by parents, by society, by past experiences you never questioned. And now, you're living in a building you didn't consciously create. But architecture can be redesigned. Structures can be rebuilt. And awareness is the first hammer. Look closely. Where are the cracks? Which rooms feel too small? Which walls were built out of fear instead of truth? You don't fix a structure by ignoring it. You study it. Dismantling is uncomfortable because those walls feel like identity, but they are not you. They are just constructions. Now, something powerful happens. When you remove a limiting belief, you create space. And space is where intention lives. What will you build instead? Resilience? Clarity? Discipline? Because intentional thoughts become deliberate design. Strong architecture doesn't happen overnight. It's repetition, consistency, precision, one thought at a time, one decision at a time, and slowly, your mind becomes a place of strength. Not reaction, but direction. Not limitation, but expansion. Narrator calm, conclusive. You are not trapped inside your mind. You are building it, every day, with every thought you accept or reject. So ask yourself, what kind of structure am I living in? And more importantly, what kind of architecture am I creating next?